Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a new laptop bag? This one is by tomtoc, and let me show you all the wonderful features it has and why we love it. So I love that this bag is not a big bag, but it can hold so much. So I can fit my laptop in here, a full-size tablet, my charger. In the front is multiple pockets that allow for your mouse or your earbuds, extra chargers, whatever extra accessories you have. It has plenty of space to keep all of those things organized. And there's even a little pocket on the front that is perfect to hold your phone or your wallet and keys. It's also really nice and padded, so everything in it is going to be very well protected and it's very comfortable to hold. The handles even have padding on them, but the padding around the laptop and where a tablet can go really makes you feel like it's going to be protected, which is really important for me because I got this mostly for my son, for him to carry around his tablet, his phone, and his drawing materials that he likes to have with him at all times. But I don't have to worry about him dropping anything and it getting hurt. You also can carry it just a shoulder strap or with handles. My son loves to carry it crossbody, but all in all, this laptop bag really does a great job of holding all of the stuff you need to without making you have to carry around a big bag. But that's just my point of view.